What's up, guys? Credits to British Monkey for this video, but I've kidnapped a kid. Come here, come on. And we're selling him today. We're selling the mini games kid for money, because I need to upgrade my basement.
Where are we going? Are we gonna buy some mini games?
Yeah, sure. Come on. This way. This way. Come on, now.
Where go? Where?
Okay, come on.
Where
Okay, come on. Hurry up. I'm selling you. Come here. That would be $800. That's 800 shiny rocks. Give him. You have the. Give him to me. Give him.
To buy one of these?
No, give me the 800 shiny rocks for your kid. Give me the 800 shiny rocks for your kid.
It's 800.
Okay,
now you come.
Now
here.
you can have your kid. Bye. Gotta go before they see my face.
No, come back here.
I gotta go before they see me.
My money. Come back here.
I'm out.
No.